Hi sir. Maghahanap po ako ngayon ng example of pattern which is symmetry. Andito po ako sa labas ng apartment namin. So, tara, let's go! Ako guys, I see the first example na po ng symmetry. Proceed tayo sa second example of symmetry pattern. Nakakita na ako guys. Number 3 example of symmetry pattern. For example of symmetry pattern. Nakakita na po ulit ako ng another symmetry pattern. Hi guys, pauwi na ako sa apartment and may nakita po tayong another kind of symmetry pattern. Here po. Hi guys, katatapos lang ng klase namin. Naghahanap po tayo ng another kind of pattern which is yung ito po. Dendritic tree. Guys, another kind of then po tayo ng another kind of pattern which is crack. Tayo ulit ng another kind of pattern. May nakita na naman ako guys with each yung spots. Hi guys, maghanap po tayo ng another pattern ng spiral. Tayo ng another kind of pattern which is spots and stripes. May nakita po tayo dito.